Well, I guess you can see we've been out shoveling today. Snowplow came through and kind of made things worse. We're probably never get out of here, not till around July. Basically, we have snow piled up as high as our mailbox is, and our mailbox is 4.5 feet off the ground. Uh, temperatures dropped us down in the 20s now, so this stuff ain't going nowhere. Hope people are safe here in southern Maryland today. Remember, you don't have to shovel all this now. It's going to be a number of days before you're going to be out and around. Take it easy. Again, a lot of people without power. We've been fortunate. The wind's died down now, so hopefully we won't have any tree limbs busting and falling on power lines. It's about 9 o'clock on Saturday night, and snow stopped this afternoon, I guess, for good around 6, 7 o'clock, something like that. Very cold. So again, I gotta tell you, you won't know what's going on out back if you don't get outside. So get out and walk around. Take it easy. I know most churches have canceled their services here in southern Maryland simply because people can't get out and it's not safe. Make it a good one tomorrow. Make it a safe one. Take care.